On the right way to clean the sheephead.
This is a black drum.
I'm black drum. Oh, black drum. And the right way to identify fish. You've been doing this a long time, huh, Peggy?
Quite a while.
Yeah. Yeah, they're good.
Not bad for a club.
I like playing around there and I do fish.
There you go.
Yeah.
First time.
First round kill, yeah. Small better, man.
That's just artwork right there. She's a Picasso.
Perfect size. Yeah.
Not Pleasanton, I believe it is. And he owns a home in Alice. And he put a motor up on himself.
Yeah, I think I made her over there. I couldn't,
Well, answer and talk to her.
whose fish are we on this day?
Hey, Mom. Granny told me to answer it.
Not my favorite fish to clean, by the way.
Tim's gonna do those sheepers.
That man ever come pick up them big old reds?
Oh, yeah.
How long you been an expert at this, Tim?
Oh, I'm an expert. I've done it a while.
I remember he got
30 years. It was one of the fish that I least salt want to clean, but it sure tastes good. And,
These do?
sir,
They taste good?
very good. And one of my favorites to eat.
The lobster of the sea, right?
Well, kind of. There's pain. I mean, you get one of those Indians as a fish cutter, and you're gonna
The fins?
you might lose some time. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's no fun. They're bony, and they go to knife, and so on and so forth. But they also pay the bills.
Yeah. That's why they said that a lot of people didn't eat them. They were so hard to clean. But because I keep reading, everybody says they're delicious.
Most people, before I knew how to clean them, I didn't get enough off to eat. They get a little nugget, and it was all gnarled up.
Yeah.
Where did Justin's people go? They just here. They're almost done with these.
How do you cook them? Broil them?
Oh, you can sell like them fried myself. You can't hardly go wrong. The real white, flaky fish, kind of, not flaky necessarily, white. They take your spices real well, whatever you like. If you don't overcook it, you can't really go wrong. Grilled, blackened, fried.
Yeah, I was telling my son. I said, no, man, you're taking them off the hook. You're putting them in a... I said, watch out for those top fins, though. They'll get
They're
you.
horrible. I have never myself, but I've seen stories of people that fall in like that. And
Yeah.
stick it.
Yeah.
Stick it down in the foot.
Watch it, really. Learn how to do it.
Someone not to do it,
He was talking about those fins, the pokies.
they're horrible.
Are they poisonous, the fins?
Well,
There's
not
the infection?
poisonous, but they break off in you and you're gonna wish you were poisoned.
Oh, there you go.
Got don't clean fish like a lot of people do, so.
Barely walking.
Well, that's why she knows to kind of behave. And,
Yeah, and she knows all the people.
Yep.
She used to sit in this corner right over here, and, while I worked, and she'd take the money. They give her all the money.
Bobby's made better money than too.
No. They all like her, she likes them. She has her favorites.
Fish. Miss
Although
Peggy doing the specialty again.
You might scare the crap out of somebody with that disease itself. Yeah. Don't let me get you dirty, buddy.
Fish tacos. What's your favorite fish, Miss Peggy?
You mean to clean or eat?
To eat.
I like red snapper.
Oh, yeah, me too. I like them too.
Which I like all of them, but red
I like
snapper,
black drum
my favorite. That and flounder, I guess.
I like black drum and sheepshead.
Oh, I like sheepshead, and I like drum, and I like redfish.
Yeah, he said your favorite.
Well, red snapper's my favorite.
We always come down in July and go out on that dolphin dog red snapper trip, the 5-hour one, and get our limit. Except my son here, last 2 years, he spends the whole time chumming the water. So I told him,
Take your
Yeah.
2 Dramamine at night when you go to bed, and the next morning take 1.
well, we got a patch the next time. He
You know,
took,
I've seen people get sick with patch. I worked out
Yeah.
there, and one of the deckhands told him, said, take that patch off. Took it out and got it better.
yeah.
Yeah, so that don't always work.
The last time I gave him a Dramamine, he put him to sleep.
But
So,
there wasn't
after he chummed for an hour, he fell asleep. So I told him, he's got to keep trying it. One day you'll get used to it.
And no offense, and I don't mean
Hey, I
this,
get-
a lot of it's in your head.
Is it you that gets sick?
Some of it.
Yeah.
I get sick too, so it's not so bad. I used to have to go out there and work, and I'd come to the parking lot, the deckhand didn't show up. The captain would do like this. No, I don't want to go. He was telling me to take a pill, because I was going. And I'd go.
Look at that bad boy, Andrew.
Yes, sir. Oh, good to hear you. About 10 minutes out.
Well, what's the easiest fish to clean?
I don't
10
know.
minutes, roughly.
What's the hardest one? Sheepers?
Sheepshead are harder, but they're really not hard to me. I just don't like them, but I don't like those pompanos that skin them, but to set it off this part is not bad. There really ain't none of them too hard. They're all okay.
Thanks, Andrew. Good little haul, bud.